Hi everyone, today I've got VIVO V20 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll in order to find the battery option. Now let's take a look at this option. Here we've got the battery percentage, which is right now turned off. It is obvious because we've got only the battery indicator. So if you would like to show the battery percentage, just tap on the switcher, and as you can see it immediately changes, and from now on we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery right next to the battery icon. Obviously you can turn it off the same way, but let me leave it like this. So actually this is it. This is how to show or hide the battery percentage on the status bar in your VIVO V20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.